Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the car to ACC or on so the infotainment is active. This lets you access menus without running the engine. Once the display is live, press home and navigate to settings, then choose Bluetooth. This is where paired devices are listed. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled so you can confirm the device name while you work. You're focusing on identifying the exact device entry to remove, not resetting the entire system yet. Now you locate the paired device list and find the phone name you want to remove. This ensures you don't delete the wrong profile. Once selected, choose the on-screen Remove, Delete, or Forget command and confirm when prompted. This deletes the pairing from the car's memory. After removal, check for additional profiles or media/phone profiles tied to that device and delete them too, because some Hondas keep separate phone and audio entries that must both be cleared. Finish by restarting the infotainment. Turn the ignition off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on to clear temporary caches and ensure the device is gone. If the phone reconnects automatically, immediately unpair or forget the Honda entry on the phone side, then recheck and remove from the car. If it still persists, perform a Bluetooth or network reset in settings. Use this as a last resort because it clears all pairings. If problems continue, try rebooting the phone or updating firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.